How to download and install Diablo Immortal on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In order to download and install Diablo Immortal on your Android is super quick and easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and next, launch open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Diablo Immortal. Once you find this application from Blizzard Entertainment Inc., tap on Install to begin the download process. Now wait for the game to download, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed, so always make sure you have a stable internet connected on your device before downloading any kind of an app. Now, once the application is installed, tap on the play button to launch open the app, and there you have successfully downloaded the Diablo Immortal game on your Android device. Let the game download additional resources or update files, and you'll be good to go. So that is how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.